After removing the camera and other ribbons, you just need to go down through here and remove the screen guard here. But as you can see, this one has had other repair attempts done on it, so the screws are missing here. That's not good. Not good at all. Won't be able to give a warranty for this. Move down to the home button shield. Need your traveling screwdriver again. Remove this. Hello, sir.
Thanks. How can I help you today? I called 10 minutes ago.
Oh, yes.